Thanks for attending demo. Before going to the demo, I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Amar. I have 14 years of IT experiences there. Now coming to that training experience, I have 7+ years of training experiences there. So I have started training in that 2000 early in the 17th. So that time I started the training. I'm that corporate trainer. Yeah, I have provided that corporate training to that the companies like Sonata Software and Alpha Variants. Some Dubai tour companies are there. So I have provided that my corporate training. If you have anyone in friends are working in Sonata Software, you can ask them. They're seeing that my videos. Okay, myself Amar. You can ask them. And after Corona, I started with that only that online training. Earlier, I have provided that classroom trainings as well. Okay, yeah. So this demo, what we are going to be see, what is the Dynamics 365? And before that, guys, this is a completely technical. Okay, here coding is there. We are using that H++ because we have two types of courses are in the FNO. One is the functional and second is the technical. I'm talking about only about the technical only. Okay, because I came from the technical background. That's why. Yeah. Okay, guys, you already know what is the Dynamics 365. Few of the persons, not all of you. What is this Dynamics 365 FNO? FNO is nothing but finance and operation, and this is a ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. So, guys, actually, this ERP is nothing but Enterprise Resource Planning. We have a few or lot of ERPs available in the market, like SAP, Oracle. Hmm, lot of things are there, and we are using that Microsoft product that is called FNO D365 Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. But what is the advantages of this one? Okay, first of all, where we to use this one? Let's example, just think about that normal scenarios if we are going to purchasing that any product, guys. Okay, but what is the use of that product day-to-day activities? Let's say example, I'm going to purchasing the my laptop. Okay, laptop I'm going to purchase, but I'm not a IT guy. Is there any use for me? No, right? But if I am running that any business, then maybe it required. Correct. The same way, the ERP. Once we have purchased this one, but what is the advantages? And if I'm running some XYZ business, how it is give the boost up my business? So those things we can discuss today. Let's talk about that customer call. Some XYZ customer is there. Okay, some XYZ customer is there. He have that some multiple businesses are there. Like he have that some jewelry store, grocery store, clothes store, and international some multinational businesses are there. So to track all those businesses to implement in that software side. Currently, we have available some few of the languages like C Sharp or C++ or PHP or Java, Python. Okay, any programming languages he wants to track all those businesses. It may takes 2 months to a year to track all businesses at a time. But coming to that ERP side, on first day onwards, okay, when first day onwards, the customer can track his businesses. Okay, so no need to go for that implementation on first day. Just he can observe that what is the industry is happening and what it is the real time is happening. So we can easily collaborate that business with that FNO side. But why we required first day onwards is ready to use, but why we require the technical consultant? So after purchase this product from the Microsoft to that end user or client, so it may not satisfy that 100% of his business. Correct. Any product, it will not satisfy 100%. So we are going to be do some customizations. Let's example, in the festival season, we can go to the market, we can purchase that our clothes, right? We have two options are there. One is that directly we can go to that ready-made shop and purchase it, and second thing is that go to that same shop and take that clothes, different shirt bit and pant clothes, and go to that tailor, provide our measurements. It will take 1 week or 10 days, depends upon its bandwidth. But ready-made also it will not suitable for everyone what they're given that sizes. Then we can go with that alteration, right? The same this ERP also we can go for that customization. Okay, what is the meaning of the customization? Now I'm talking the few of the technical words, guys. Customization is nothing but first thing is that we should understand existing one. Okay, what is the first principle? We should understand. Okay, what it is here existing? Here existing H++ code is there. Okay, I can give that one general scenario. Okay, I'm going to that one of that vendor. So I have purchased the 10 books. Okay, 10 books I have purchased it. These 10 books he is delivering to me. But I'm asking, okay, I will take the only 5 books now. Okay, please share that another 5 books to my branch office. Okay, these 5 books too. I'm asking to that the shopkeeper or shop owner, asking to transfer the 5 branches. So in general scenario, is there anything is required? Directly go to the shop. I can pay the money and take that 5 books, and 5 books I can write the address. Please transfer it. He can do a courier it. But the same scenario, how we are going to do in that F&O? The Microsoft in the standard product, let's say example, you are going to be raising a sales order. So directly you can order the 10 books and it will receive to that your customer address. But my customer is saying, okay, I'm ordering that 10 books. Okay, these 10 books, which go to that 2 books is the warehouse one, and 2 books is the to warehouse two, and 2 books, remaining 8 books is come to that warehouse three. So this type of requirements not available. Okay, these type of requirements not available in the standard. That time the technical people will come to the picture. This is general example, and nowadays every client is also asking this type of customizations because customer is a multinational, they are operating their business in entire the world, right? So how to split this in okay, here also some complications are there. Suppose this go to that warehouse too, and here also employees are working, client say they need to check their invoice, really they transfer the amount or not, because once the delivered boy is coming, okay sir, books is book, I have delivered the books but the amount is not paid, because this is the different location, how we can understand? That's why in the ERP, okay, they already mentioned they attach to that invoice number to that one, so we can easily track it. The same thing what it is the business is happening in that outside, the same thing we are going to be doing that ERP side. So this is actually the functional people will handle it, just for understanding why the ERP is required. I'm saying, and coming to that one, I already told to that customer having the n number of businesses. Suppose XYZ customer. So these n number of businesses, how we can handle using the single ERP. So that's the reason we have a one concept called legal entities. This is actually the Some people will do it, but I'm giving the knowledge. So I can create that legal entity is nothing but company, guys. In the ERP terminology, the legal entity is nothing but company. Okay, company A, company B, company C, company D. Like this, we can create a number of companies, then we can operate it. And we can transfer that one company assets to other company also. These things also is there. So the entire process we can using the H++ coding. Okay, that is ERP. The first day onwards, it will available. So directly I can open to that our front end. Okay, morning, it's a report class is happening. Close this one. I will open that our front end, then we can get it easily. So guys, F&O front end, it look like this. Okay, what I am saying here, first day onwards, how the client is using. So you can go to here. These are the modules. So few of the modules are pre-built, is provided Microsoft accounts payable, account receivable, and asset management. So these are the pre-built modules: asset management, audit work, budgeting, cash and bank management, and someone is saying that human resource and payroll, general ledger, these all functionalities available, guys. So to start in minimum one business, all functionalities are available. But what is our work here we are going to do? Okay, what is our work? Let's accounts payable, it's talking about that all the vendor information. Okay, let's example, I'm opening to the all purchase orders form, I want to purchase something. Okay, which one is not okay? Confirmed one. Okay, open this one. See, guys, one of the general scenario I'm saying. Suppose I'm going to adding the line. This is actually what you are purchasing in that internet, Amazon, Flipkart. The same here. We are going to be add and item. Which item we require? The shopping cart item. So suppose I have purchased that youth accessory. Okay, youth accessory combo. I have purchased it. So I have purchased it. So here the price is coming. This is general price. Okay, this is the amount is general price they have attached. But my customer is asking to actually this is a general price. I don't want to showcase to this price to that my client. So and this is a festival season. So this time I can give that by default. Okay, default 5% offer. Okay, only for this festival season. Next 10 days only 5%. After 10 days, then it is comes to that exact price. Okay, exact price. Or suppose he is ordering that quantity between 1 to 10, some percentage is there. I can give that 4 percentage. Some 11 to suppose if it is 50, it's a flat. I can give the 7 percentage. I can give that. So these type of customizations are not available. Okay, these type of customizations are not available. Now we are going to be implementing through H++ code. Guys, are you getting what I'm trying to say? In real time, exactly what we are going to do. The standard system. That is the reason our H++ code is required and technical consultant is required. Okay, because after completion of the demo, if you go to that someone, okay, I have attended that Dynamics 365 F&O. Okay, then your friend asks, what is the Dynamics 365 F&O? You should answer at least if you are going to continue my class or sessions or not. That is that second part. The first part is that we are concentration then focusing on the time 20 to these 30 minutes. First, we learning something. What is the F&O? You should know. If someone is asking, okay, F&O is a ERP, Microsoft is provided. The okay, we can handle with that the baseline business. If the business is requires some more thing, then we can go with the customization, whatever it is not presented in the standard system. That's a simple one, but I given that exact example. Guys, till now, any questions? Please ask me.
No, sir, I have no questions. I'm clear with you.
So in a project, let's say if they're implementing FNO, how many
Okay.
functional guys they need and how many technical guys they need with X plus plus knowledge?
Yeah, very good question. Guys, is there any other question? Yeah, that's example. Okay. I will give to that. I'm very practical man. I will give to that in real time simple. Suppose I am constructing one house. Okay, this house is that just it's a 500 square yards. Or else in our native language we can use the only 2 cents. Okay, so 2 cents. How many of that cement or how many people is required to construct this one daily? If I that this guy who are providing the constructing that labor and maestri is there. So I'm going to that 15 maestris and 25. Okay, 25 labor and 50 are that helpers. Daily they are coming this. Is it is the correct requirement? Huh?
No,
No,
it's
right?
high agent.
Yeah, it's a very high. So I'm coming to the your question. So how many functional and how many technical? It depends upon that scope of work. Actually, these things comes under the people management. Okay, the managers who are done that to PMP certifications or else normal manager experience also, they can estimate. The client will go that okay, we have 1,000 hours of work. These 1,000 hours, how the client is tell we have a RFPs are there. Request for proposals. These request proposals, the all requirements are there. They can give that one word. Okay, he is using the Salesforce system. Okay, and from Salesforce to we need to integrate with our FNO. So just for before giving to that how many hours of work we are going to be do that some POC and give to that okay I require that 200 hours for this work. Maybe sometimes it is completed within that hours or it may cross it. So estimations, that is called actually estimations and people management. We can going further working on that requirements and completing the FTDs, we can easily estimate without knowing that customizations, how many what type of project the customization we can't tell. Anyone can't tell exactly. Got it?
Correct.
Okay.
Still, my question, right? So generally, the when they are doing the first time implementation, or maybe the
Mhm.
maintenance project, or migrating, or whatever. So whatever product they have, as it is, if they are able to make with less changes, if they are able to plug and play, then it will be like a lot of functional and less technical. But if that needs a lot of customization, there will be a lot of technical people as well as the functional people. So in the based on like your experience, I understood like what you are trying to tell about the estimations,
Got it.
but
Yeah.
based on your experience, how you seen like good amount of technical people, because we are trying to learn the technical. So do we really need those many technical people in the project?
Yeah. Actually, in the projects, one functional can handle the three technicals. Okay, one functional having the three technicals. Because while starting up the project, that time functional having that heavy workload is there because sign off that FDDs when writing the FDDs. Once that FDDs are done, then he can share to that FDDs to that technical consultant. Technical will start their work. In between, what the functional people is doing, he is going to be preparing that initial setups and UAT preparation that and more documentation work they can do, but in general one person can hand one function people can handle the three technical people. Sometimes four people also, five people also, it's fine. It's depends upon that project cost. Okay, it's a time based fixed cost or else time and material. It depends upon that one. But coming to that support project, only two people. If it is a project is stabilized, one functional, one technical. Sometimes functional not there. Only technical people is there. Technical only will communicate with that client and get that requirements and complete that bugs or whatever it may be in support.
Okay.
Yeah. I think Prasad, you were trying to asking something.
Yeah, I got the answer now.
Okay,
I was
okay.
asking about the ratio, but yeah, I got this one. 1:3, right?
Yeah,
For the
yeah, yeah.
new. Yeah, okay.
Correct, correct. Yeah.
And one more question I have, if you are not, if you are
Yeah,
fine,
please,
may
please.
I
Yeah, please. Yes,
ask?
yes.
So, so the other ERPs, right? So SAP, Oracle Labs, and there are other ERPs, right? So they are into the market and they vastly implemented in a lot of organizations.
Mm,
Now, Dynamic 365, I know it is there, like, from last 20 years with different name. So how the projects outside now, like, is it really there are a lot of implementations are going on, and how the market is for this one right now?
yeah, good question. Anyway, I need to cover this into the end of this demo, but we'll
Okay.
come to the picture. Yeah, no problem. I will answer right away. So, uh, Dynamics 365 market is very good. First thing is that why it is very good. Okay, Dynamics 365 F&Y is concentration on the mid-level clients. Okay, mid-level clients only. So to take that, the giant clients will have that maybe some countable number of clients are there, but mid-level clients, huge number of clients are there. And the one thing is the cost wise, it's very less compared to other ERPs. And support is that number one in the support. Like service, if you are facing any issues, just we can raise a Microsoft, the Microsoft engineers will come to that call, then we can uh, complete that errors. Okay, the support is a very good support is there. And second, the third thing is that integrating with that other part is very easy, because here we're using that Microsoft OS is a Microsoft, Excel add-ins also Microsoft, and Azure DevOps also, Logic Apps also, Power Apps, and database also. Everything is from the Microsoft. All products are belongs to Microsoft only. So that's the reason the service wise and the cost wise, clients wise, it's a very heavy. That is the reason the market is very good. Okay, just how you can, 1 minute guys, someone is talking. So just you can place that one resume, then you can identify what is the market now. Okay, I believe I answered your question.
Yes, yes, I got it. So the mid-level clients are the primary source for this. Yeah, that's a
Yes,
good point.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Who are the competitors for this product? If
Obviously
I take
SAP.
ask, SAP.
Oh,
Okay.
obviously SAP. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Can I continue with that next part? Okay. Seems to be no questions, and thank you. Uh, so, exactly what is Sudarshan? You were asking something? No. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
Amar.
so
So can I know when it will start the classes?
yeah,
Actually,
yeah. I will.
I'm like,
Yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, I can understand you. Last week also you joined. Yeah, I will tell end of this. Okay.
yeah, thanks. Amar.
Yeah. See, guys, I'm not going to tell about that FN word, this, that, okay, because anyway, you can get in the internet. In real time, what is our work? I'm going to talk. Okay. Suppose in real time, how the works will come. Okay. Before, once that project is signed off, we have a epics are there. Okay, this is about the entirely functional people's work. Once that technical words will come, then I will give to that one. So epics and BRDs, work items. BRDs means after FDDs. Yeah. So till now, the functional people will communicate with that client. Let's say example, uh, I have a one client. I'm a functional people. I have that in function also different of functions are there. Finance functional, SCM functional, HR functional, and warehouse management. Like this, something different functions are there. Let's say I have a one SCM functional. I will go to that my client place. I'm closely observing what is the client is doing, okay, how they are operating the current situation of their business. Then I come to that my room and comparing with that standard product is nothing but F&O product, and I'm comparing what it is missing, what it is availability, what are the missing thing I have noted. I can prepare that on BRD document. Then I will go to the client. Okay, these things is missing. Once these things we have implemented, then your business needs to be 100% operate in the F&O side. So these analysis we can call it as a gap analysis. Once this gap analysis is completed, the customer is approved, then functional people will start preparing the FDDs. FDD is nothing but functional design document. Suppose project having that report design document. IDDs means integration design document. Okay, see guys, FDD is completely is the functional design document, the forms development and all those things. Suppose reports are there, that is the RDD document, report design document. IDDs are the integration design document. Okay, so these documents they will prepare and assign to that our technical consultant. Before assigning, we need to give the estimation and something is possible, not possible. That is a different story. Once that technical people will come to the picture, okay, what the technical people will do, they can understand the FDD. If the technical people is not understand, we'll go with a call with that functional people and what it is missing. If even the technical functional people is not also clear, then set up a call with the client. That time, that is the issue, functional wish he may add to the technical or not. Okay, that is entirely functional people can do. Once that FTDs is come to the technical people will prepare the document called TDD, technical design document. Once if it is approved by our SME subject matter expert, then we can write the code of the H++ and customizing. I already told customization means first of all we should know about that what is the standard code is doing. Okay, implementation is different, customization is different. Implementation means from scratch level to we can write the code. Customization is nothing but already some code is there, so on top of that we are going to give to that our customization code new functionality. After writing that new functionality, it should definitely work with that old functionality also along with that new functionality. After applying that new functionality, if old functionality is not working, then it is a very big mistake. So going to the customization, first of all we should know about that how to read the code. Like suppose if I give any book to you, you read that as like a movie story, we are getting understanding, right? The same way, while seeing the code itself, what is the code it is doing, we should understand that one. If you understand, then only we can apply the fix. If we are not understanding, then we can depend upon that other colleagues. Okay, where I need to write, how to do the customization, how to write the COC, how to write a event handler, how to create a table field. Like these questions we are going to be asked. So what is the heart of the H++? Okay, oops concepts. Okay, oops concepts is nothing but interface, abstract, classes, okay, polymorphism, encapsulation. These all are comes under the oops concepts, guys. So it is not strictly with that oops means only Java. You can go with that C++ oops or .NET oops, Java oops, PHP, anything oops. If you know, you can easily write that coding in the H++. Once that code is completed, customization is completed, then we can showcase to that our function consultant and check in the code. This is the one end-to-end process is happening. in the implementation project. We have a project types called implementation project, data migration project, integration project, and code migration project. No one will tell. The companies gives the which project you need to work on that one. Okay, it's clear, guys. So this is the what is happening in the real time. The first thing is that it's a completely code based coding training, guys. Okay, if someone is guiding as a there is no code, just drag and drag functionality. Okay, don't trust those words. It's a completely coding one. Yeah, going to the syllabus. So this is our 45 days of course curriculum. Daily 1 hour live session is there. These are the syllabus, guys. I will share with you. I think last week who are attended, I already shared with them. Here mainly focusing on that how I am going to. Okay, I will give to this document because there is no use of reading the syllabus, because if you know the terminology then you can understand. I can tell that what is so our course is going to that. So first of all we are going to do brand new things, because Dynamics 365 onwards Microsoft is not given chance to customize the existing code. First we can create the brand new things. Once we can able to create the brand new things, then advanced will go with that customization of existing one. If I go to the directly in that customization on the existing one, you will get a become problem, because you don't know that. Maybe if you know, some people who are coming from that programming is a newly, or else take a some gap, and after they have joined the to learn this one, they will miss that some basic concepts. Okay. Guys, I have pinged that one link in the chat window. Could you, if possible, could you please fill that document? Who are already filled the document? Okay, it's not required for that second time. Fine, guys. Yeah. So customization of the existing one we can do. Then later we can see that reports. So in this customizations only we can get that main heart of the D365 guys, COC, chain of commands and the event handlers. If you know these two things, you can easily work on that. It's a very simple concept. And reports, after reports we see that batch programming. Other than this one we can discuss with that data migration framework, import and export. What are the complexities we are getting in the real time. Mm. And each topic I will provide that interview questions. Okay, interview questions is nothing but I will not give any PDF. Okay, while delivering that topic, that time only I will deliver that. Okay, this is the question your interview will ask, you need to say that answer. Because if I give to that PDF, then you can read it, we can forget it. So only in the topic time, what are that challenges I have faced in the real time, those challenges, and interview how to say that answer as an experienced person. Okay, the same answer fresher will tell, and mid-level and advanced developer also will tell. But based on our experience, how we are going to be give to explain about with the example. That is that part only it will tell about that our experience. Okay, and apart from this, I will give to that some PDF things. Okay, what is from scratch to advanced PDFs. First of all, I recommend to read that Microsoft document, because he is the owner of this product. So he knows that in and out. So I will tell that once you got the materials, I will tell how to start reading the materials. Okay. Yeah. And this course mostly it will start from that Wednesday. That means what is the date? Um, as of now I'm planning to that Wednesday, that means the 3rd April, guys. Okay, 3rd April.
What will be the
Time
timing?
is, yeah, timing I'm telling. Okay, 7 a.m. IST. Okay, 7 a.m. IST. It's a link is that Microsoft Teams only. You'll get that daily recorded video. This is
How
also
long the
clear.
session? 1
It's a
hour or
1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour.
okay.
This is only read only. It will not be downloadable. And session is that 1 hour. Guys, all topics are. It will not take that 1 hour. Okay, some topics it will end in the 15 minutes or 20 minutes also. But because each topic it will cover it. If you not cover, you can take this syllabus and which topic is covered you can make a note, and end of the course you can ask me, Amar, you missed this thing. I'm happy to explain, no issues. And every Saturday we have a virtual labs are there. Okay, virtual lab in the sense you people is going to be share that your screen. Okay, share your screen.
Excuse me, there is a free environment is there for testing the scenarios.
For environment, we'll provide that network admin number. Okay, that is externally you need to install it. Okay, he may charge that 800 to 1000 rupees. Okay, that is different. It is not included in the course cost. Who because you guys are coming from that different channels. Okay, you can ask them. They will provide it. Yeah.
Is this D365 that demo environment is cloud, right? In the cloud.
Yeah, D365 it's a cloud environment. Our it's also FNO. D365 means it's a CRM, CE.
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah, ours is a FNO. We require definitely RDP mission because we require the Visual Studio to write the code.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So now
So
you are saying virtual, I mean, network admin will provide environment, right? That
yeah,
is
yeah,
practicing, right?
yeah. Practice.
How long that will be? We can
No,
practice.
no. You in your laptop, he is going to be install it.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, yeah,
So we can practice it within our computer. We
yeah,
don't
yeah,
have to,
yeah. Yeah.
or we
Correct.
have to RDB and connect to some other
No,
machine.
no, 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 no. In your mission only, like how I'm using C. This is my VM.
Okay,
Okay,
can you
here
show
is
us the UI if you can publish something and
yeah,
how we
this
can?
is the one. Yeah, this is the
Okay,
UI. This is the end user
okay.
URL.
So we can access it in browser, and it
Yeah,
is
yeah,
not HTTPS. It's connected to your machine, local
yeah,
machine.
yeah. This is my local mission. I'm using that. See, this is Windows Server. Okay, in my local on premises, I have installed this one.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Is there any spec required like this much
yeah,
RAM?
yeah. It's a required. Yeah, yeah, definitely. So for this one, it's required 8 GB or 16 GB, and Core i5 or later processor.
Okay.
Uh, 500 GB of SSD hard disk. I think nowadays everyone is using above this only. Okay, every laptop is come to the 16 GB RAM. I think it's a suitable file.
So when we install, how much it will consume? It will take 200 GB or 100 GB. Is it
It's much most to not 200, 130 or 140 GB only.
okay?
Yeah,
Excuse me, after this training, we are sure about we can do customization ourselves.
definitely. Yeah,
What
I
about
will.
reporting?
Yeah, reporting part also. I will tell. See, today only the reporting class is completed. The control class. See, this type. These all are that reporting customization only. Okay. If you have anyone having that FNO experience or H2012 experience, they can easily understand. These all are the classes we have written.
Okay.
Hmm? You can customize it, but not fully advanced level, but basic level. Okay, and the advanced level also, I will teach. Okay, what type of customizations? Advanced level in the sense we can even use that UI builder and controller. Then this is advanced level, and one report how to customize the standard report. That thing also I will teach. Okay, the same the same thing here. You can just go to the Visual Studio. This is our syllabus only, guys. Nothing to go with that any document of the syllabus. This is the only our syllabus. Okay,
Mhm.
here is so see, this is the our syllabus.
Okay.
Yeah, fine. When you see
So
this one
Sir,
data
if we
model,
learn the
yeah, sorry.
uh,
yeah,
no,
so if
sir,
we
this is
learn the
Sasikumar.
technical part, so the
Okay.
functional knowledge, how much we need for the any point of time for initial interviews.
Yeah, functional also how to raise the sales order, how to raise the purchase order, general ledger, at least some 30% functional knowledge is required. That's why I will give to that one PDF. Just read that 100 pages on that book. Fine, you will get that basic functional idea.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So guys,
when
see,
you are teaching, sorry,
uh, no
when you are
problem.
teaching or you are extending some standard sales order page,
Mm-hmm.
you will
Mm-hmm.
teach the basic functionality knowledge what was required there, right? You will
Yeah.
cover that and you will, yeah. Okay.
Definitely. See, I will show to you. I done that a few of the sales order customization. Let's go with that purchase orders customization. This is a previous batches I did the customization. So you can
Mhm.
see. Uh, See here. This is I created in the January 24.
Okay.
This is not there in the standard. Correct.
Mm.
Then and again while creating the new one. Suppose department data. I think I done. Yeah, see department name, HR, computer. Actually, department details. It's not there in the standard. If you have any environment, you can check. This is the customizable
Entity.
by
Okay.
myself. Yeah. Okay. Listen. Okay. So this part I will tell. Without these things, there is no use of you are attending this course.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah.
So I mean, if we have to go through all the PDF before attending the class, is
No, no,
that
no.
must? No need, right? Okay.
No, no need. I will tell because once you got that bulk amount of materials, because I will not give that bulk amount of materials. Only four
Mm.
books only I can give. One is that preferred by Microsoft. Two things. Two is for that some books we have purchased from that Amazon. Those things is enough. Okay, if you go with that other books or PDFs also, but the main matter is that the same thing. Okay, no need to go with that different sources. Yeah.
Thank you.
Something, yeah, welcome. Something I'm talking. Yeah, see, guys, I told basic to advanced. Suppose this is the basic table, how to create the table and table extension. Already standard table, how we are going to be extension. How to create a view, it's a brand new. It is a extension like this. I'm going to delivering the course, guys. So yeah, in coming to that virtual lab session, you guys you need to share your screen. If you have that any doubts or uncompleted tasks or practical work, then you need to share your screen. We can fix that those issues. If anybody have there is no doubts, then we'll continue our regular session. Okay, that is what I'm trying to say from the last few minutes. Fine. So that's about the demo, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Yeah, I'm stopping my
Sir,
screen.
I'm
Stop the recording
uh,
as well.